In this video, I'll show you how to create a QR code for WhatsApp. With this QR code, anyone can start a chat with you on WhatsApp without saving your mobile number. First, copy the link provided in the description and paste it into any text editor. Replace the numbers in the link with your own WhatsApp number, including the international country code. For example, if you're in India, the code is 91, followed by your WhatsApp number. Make sure not to add brackets, dashes, or any other characters. Once done, copy your updated link. Next, open the QRCode Monkey website. The link is also provided in the description. Paste the link you just created, and if you'd like, you can even upload a logo or image to customize your QR code. Then, click on Create QR Code, and it will generate your WhatsApp QR code. Finally, download the QR code as a PNG file. Now, whenever someone scans it, they can directly start chatting with you on WhatsApp without saving your number. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching. In the end,